to All Things SEO. Today I'm going to show you how you can find cannibalization keywords that are ruining your SEO efforts. And what is cannibalization? Cannibalization is when you've actually have two or more of the same keyword ranking for different URLs. So for example, let me highlight this, change that. So over here we have the same keyword ranking for two different URLs. And I'm going to show you how to do this free on Google Sheets. So first, you're going to go to Google Sheets, and you're going to go to extension, and you're going to download something called Search Analytics for Sheets. And I've used this to help on my other video about how to do keywords ranking report. So this is a great tool. So once you have this, you're going to go to extension, search analytics, open sidebar, pick the site you have, if you have multiple or if you just have one, pick a date, and you're going to go query and page and request data. Once you have the data, you're going to see all of the keywords and all of the URLs, whether it's anchored links or within the same URL, whatever Google Search Console has the data for, they're gonna have the query and the URL associated with it. And then once you pull that data up, you're gonna go highlight all of the A column and then go to conditional formatting, and you're gonna enter this formula, and I'll put the formula in the description below so you could copy and paste it, and then press done, and you'll be able to see any of the keywords that's highlighted in red. Obviously here we've improved our ranking cannibalization, so we don't have any duplicate content, but for the example here, the best burger grinder under 200, they're actually ranking for the same keyword, and this is what cannibalization is. So you have this free tool available. You don't have to use Ahrefs or anything like that to be able to identify any keyword that you're cannibalizing. And it's useful because if you're writing for a specific niche, like the grinder coffee niche site, you're writing all about coffee grinders for manual, espresso, all that stuff, it kind of starts to cannibalize your ranking efforts. So it's good to see if you're not ranking well, the obvious reason might be cannibalization. So search for analytic sheets. It's a great tool, and then you just enter that, and then the formula. The other tool that you could use is called Linkilo, which is my software, my plugin for WordPress. So if you have WordPress, you'll be able to identify keyword. We'll be able to retrieve from Google Search Console all the keywords that you're ranking for and all the URL associated with it. So this one, best telescope for viewing planets and galaxy, we have two URLs that's ranking for the same keyword, and here you can see the amount of clicks, impression, blah blah blah. So this is the best URL that you want to rank for, and yes, you could see the data here too. So clicks, impression, click-through rate, position, and all that stuff. But the other thing that for if you use Linkilo or if you have WordPress and if you use this software, we have another feature called link cannibalization report. So this is what you actually used, like the anchor text for a specific keyword. This is what you have done on your site. So best telescope has been linked to this URL and this URL. So you're actually telling Google that you want to rank this URL for best telescope, and you're telling Google you want to rank this URL for this the same keyword. So if you are doing it, most likely Google is also going to try to rank you for those keywords as well, because anchor text is really important when it comes to uh, help you rank better. So link cannibalization, and the difference is um, this is a keyword cannibalization report is based on what you're actually ranking for, and link cannibalization is based on what you've done, what anchor text you use for a specific URL, and if there's more than one URL for the same anchor text, we'll create that report for you. Um, so there you have it, and hope that could help you with your SEO efforts. And if you have any questions, leave a comment below. And yeah, have a nice day.